Hi there, everyone. This is Ann Klemmer and Stamper from StamperDog.com. Have you ever needed a masculine birthday card? Well, this is great, but I think we can upgrade it and add a new car. Now, since some of you have different needs than others, we're going to try to split screen this and show you how to watercolor as well as assemble the card. And we're starting off with the Wood Textures Designer Series paper. That's 3 inches by 5.5. And then we layered it onto Early Espresso, which is 3¼ inches wide. Now, don't worry, we are going to go and zoom that little car in so that you can really get a new look, a really good look at it. Now, we're just going to layer this wood panel off center, and then we're going to cut to the silver foil. And now I'm going to show you how to use adhesive sheets. And you're going to split the two pieces apart. I cut it a little bit smaller because I don't have to have adhesive everywhere, just most of it, right? And then I'm going to go and lay it down on the back of the foil. And you can see we're already starting with the dark cherry cobbler Stampin' Blend. It's going to be, you're going to see how easy it is. And then we're going to go over it with the light Stampin' Blend. Now here, I've already got the gears all cut out, and we're going to use the Big Shot brush. Now, that's a really good thing to have. They give you a couple mats, and you know, I would, because you've got some really thick layers there, put it through the Big Shot twice, and then take your pick tool, or take your pick tool, and try to pop that out without damaging the silver any more than you have to. So there's two ways to do this. You could go and use liquid glue, which I kind of like doing that. If you're very light-handed with it, that will work. Or else with the adhesive sheets, you just go and tear that layer that you applied before you cut out the die and take it away, and then just lay it down on your card. Now, you can only lay it down once, whereas with liquid glue, you can have a little bit of hang time to shift it around. And with either one of them, you really want to hold it down for a second to encourage it to marry up with that wood texture. But that's okay. I didn't do it, but I'm going to tack that down in just a second. Now, here we've got our punch, and we've already cut our little piece of, sorry, you can't see that there, can you? But you can see what I'm doing with the punch. There's lots of ways to put a banner in. This is just one of them, okay? So, and by the way, that was 3½ inches wide. Got that? Good. Then we're going to put dimensionals on the back and lay that down. Now, if you're liking this, hey, we've got some more stuff at the end of this video, so don't go away, because look at, I've already pretty much got that card done. In fact, I did it in Cherry Cobbler, Real Red, and Balmy Blue, and gave them to 3 of my favorite fellas. Well, that's besides Stamper's favorite human. And you can see where we're going to layer it on here. Now, look at how easy it was for me to go and color the car in with the blends, and I'm using shimmery white cardstock. We've got the supplies that we used below, so make sure that you go and check those out to be sure that you've got several of those things in your stash. Some you have, some you'll want to get. So here we're going to put the car down here, and remember, whether you're using liquid glue or the adhesive sheets, go and make sure you lay that down long enough for it to adhere, because once it adheres, it's going to stick. It's not even 5 minutes in. Here we're already done. So if you'd like to catch some more ideas for me and Stamper the dog, well, just click on the round subscribe button, or take a chance and watch the next video that YouTube has recommended for you, or hey, check out our latest live stream. We're on Wednesdays at 1 Pacific time. This is Ann Klemmer and Stamper from StamperDog.com, where we put a little ink, paper, and fun into your day.